and welcome to Toy Broadway. It's Paul here today and we're having a look at this great fire truck. Here we have Mattel Fisher-Price 2007 American fire truck. You've got a little ladder left there. It's all very well made with metal screws and things in there. So we've got some sound effects as well in this if you push this bit. That's the more British sounding fire engine. Little fire hose there. It clips in. Then you can move your firefighter back to that control position there. This is a really great truck. I'll put the links below where you can get hold of this fire truck if you're looking for something like this or something very similar. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, it really helps us. We'll see you next time. Cheers from London.